Good day, sir. So today I will gonna explain what is Archimedes principle and its application in maritime transportation, understanding buoyancy, gravity, and stability in shipping operation. What is Archimedes principle? An object submerged in a fluid experiences an upward buoyant force equal to the weight of the displaced fluid. When you put an object into water, the water pushes upward when a force equal to weight of the water that is displaced. So, parehas aning nasa picture no nga natay 6 kilogram nga object nga gibutang sa tubig, then naay 2 kilogram nga nahawa. Katong 2 kilogram nga nahawa mao toy buoyant force nga nagpush sa object padung pataas. Key concepts: buoyancy, the force exerted by a fluid that opposes an object's weight. Buoyancy is the upward force that pushes an object when it is in water. Gravity, the downward force acting on a vessel due to its weight. Gravity is the downward force that pulls the object toward the bottom. Equilibrium, when the buoyant force and gravitational force balance, the ship floats. So, when the both forces are equal, the ship is equilibrium and balanced. So, it will float at a constant level, not sinking, not rising. Forces acting on a ship. Buoyant force upward versus weight of ship downward. Buoyant force is the upward exerted by a fluid on an object. Weight of ship is the downward force caused by gravity. So, when the two forces is balanced between buoyant force and weight, the ship is safely floating. Displacement and drop calculation. Ship displacement. The weight of water displaced by the vessel. So, ang pasabot ani kay kita na to sa picture no. Kung mas bugat ang barko, mas dagan siyang tubig nga ma-displace. So, drop, the vertical distance between the waterline and the bottom of the hull. So, kung mas dagan ang karga sa barko, mas lawom ang iyang drop. Mao ni ang sugdanan nga gamiton aron mahibaw-an kung makaya ba sa barko ang kabug-aton sa tubig.